authors from many nations imagine themselves engaged in performative presentations expressing their agency. Thought research reveals their private worlds. Canadian schools must focus on poetic education and performative information, while teachers play with the acquisition of political identities. UBC produces materialist knowledge. Across the border, American researchers capture the potential of publicity. Guerrillas who engaged in ELL talk compose digital poetry.
Poetry. Here I am at the interview for Canadian citizenship. Canada must focus on informing rightly. The development of the state, such sensory input, I voice.
I'm made of language, race, identities, and ideology. One said personal is political, and I said racial is political. Teachers often play with political identities.
That's the question.
A major geograph of American class privilege of private words.
Am I engaged in this project experience of destabilizing the central logic of United States of America or Canada?
Unpack multimodal identity potential to raise the phonetics of youth.
Author's potential to educate thought, erasing the new deficit project.
It unpacks my hidden identity and becomes one again.
Analytic political image are supposed to facilitate random image acquisition.
An array of research projects have affirmed my interests.
I publicly acknowledge my race due to political pressure. What specific words produce aesthetically or
Project your experience. Engage.